Welcome to Archiesense, our client seeking an escape from the busy corporate life. Wanted a home that would provide a zen-like serenity upon returning from the stressful executive routine. The selected property is located on 18 acres, surrounded by native grasslands and Ozark forests, creating an ideal setting to realize this vision. The Shibumi House is inspired by Zen concepts, specifically the values of Shibumi and Wabi-Sabi. Shibumi embodies elegant simplicity, bringing beauty through a balance between the finest qualities and the unspoken absence. Wabi-Sabi symbolizes an intuitive way of living, where beauty is found in imperfection and a calm acceptance of the natural cycles of growth and decline. The structure of the house follows the Zen aesthetic, with a system of planned proportions and elevations inspired by the ratios and patterns of tatami. The materials used in this project were chosen with simplicity and honesty in mind. The exterior of the house features cedar that was burned using the traditional shou sugi band technique, reinforcing the natural feel and design philosophy of the house. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video gives you some new inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any updates from us. See you in the next video.